Among the 130 tests that were performed to make sure the watch would be resistant, one was particularly tough. That's the 10 meters high drop on a concrete ceiling. You need to imagine that's basically a 3-story high building. And a watch is a very precise element and therefore can be pretty fragile. We consequently had to reinforce the stainless steel components to make sure that the watch would not be damaged during the drop, particularly the movement, the quartz component of the movement, as well as a very tight fixing of the hand.